Operating instructions for aluminum profile CNC double head precision saw. Equipment startup preparation. After the equipment is in place, it must first be leveled. Using a precision level, adjust the equipment to a horizontal position by rotating the adjustable anchor bolts on each support point at the bottom of the equipment. After the system air supply is connected, the output air pressure should be set and locked within the working range of 0.6 till 0.8 megapascals immediately by operating the regulating device of the dual unit. Add the specified saw blade-specific cutting fluid to the equipment's coolant tank. Add special lubricating oil to the lubrication device by manually pressing the oil pump handle 2 to 3 times to ensure that key moving parts, such as guide rails and lead screws, are pre-lubricated. It is recommended to maintain the device 1 to 2 times per week. For wiring, connect the 3-phase wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 protective grounding wire of the power supply cable to the designated positions of the input terminals of the equipment box. And ensure that all wiring is secure and reliable. Turn on the power switch. Immediately observe the indication status of the phase sequence protector. If the protector displays, it indicates that the wiring phases are correct. If no display is displayed, it indicates that the phase sequence is reversed. The main power supply must be disconnected immediately, and then any 2 of the 3-phase wires should be swapped. Determine the required clamping pressure setting based on the processing profile material, wall thickness, and cross-sectional shape. Pull out the adjusting knob of the pressure regulating valve to unlock it. Slowly rotate the knob clockwise or counterclockwise while observing the real-time reading of the connected pressure gauge. Once the adjustment is in place, press the adjusting knob inward until it locks. Human-computer interface description. After powering on, enter the system menu page by setting the desired language on the main interface. The interface is mainly divided into the following for functional areas. This area is used to set the cutting angles of the left and right saw heads respectively, typically providing 90 and 45% options. Located near the angle setting area, used to select the saw head motor's operating mode. Independent operation. Only the left or right head motor is activated. Simultaneous operation. Both head motors start synchronously for efficient cutting. This area is used to set the cutting length of the profile. The system automatically switches between normal cutting and over-travel cutting based on the input length value. The cutting mode corresponding to the current length is displayed in text in the lower left corner of this area. This area is the command area, used for positioning, clamping, motor startup, and cutting. It can also be operated using physical buttons at both ends of the screen. Material list mode. This mode is the core function for achieving automated batch processing. Users can create 1 or more processing material lists in advance and preset the cutting length, left and right saw head angles, and required quantity of a series of workpieces each material list. During processing, simply call the corresponding material list file and start the cycle, and the equipment will automatically complete the processing of all workpieces in sequence according to the sec. In setting the material list. Short material cutting function. In the short material cutting interface, fill in the raw material length, short material length, required quantity, and saw blade thickness. Click positioning, and the equipment will automatically calculate and move to the material placement position. Place the material and click the clamp button on the worktable to clamp the profile. Press the sawing stop button on the worktable to start the motor, and then press the sawing button to start fully automatic continuous cutting until the required number of cuts is completed.